Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss what you exactly need to do when you get your new Canadian passport. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. Okay guys. So guys, recently one of my family members has got the passport, and like if you definitely passports vary across countries, especially for someone like me of Indian origin. There is a huge difference that I observe. First of all, in Indian passport your signature comes printed, right? Here you have to do it, okay? And that's what they say. Sign your name on page 3 if you are 16 and older. So that means if you're not 16 and it belongs to a minor, that doesn't need to be signed. Some people do mistake, like they sign as a parent of minor. Please don't do that. That would make it invalid, okay? That's the main reason. Emergency contact information is important, okay? Especially if and it's not just about in case of emergency. If you put your emergency contact details, okay, name, relationship, phone number, street, city, country, okay. So let's say if you lose your passport and a good person gets it, maybe they're gonna call on that number. That may happen, right? So that's also very important, and I would highly suggest you guys to go for it, okay? And then protect your passport by keeping it. Yeah, that's protection, definitely. And the first point, check to make sure your personal information is correct. That is also really important. Generally, like I nowadays, when everything is like a lot of things are done with system, there is hardly any chance it would be incorrect, but it's always good to check, no doubt. And also they have given some information about emergencies if you get into outside of Canada, how to seek help, as well as telephone number, okay? All right. And then and this and because Canada is bilingual, so just behind this page, I mean behind this piece of paper, on the other side, if you flip, the same information was written in French, okay? So doesn't matter which side you read, you can always find out, okay? Now what happened with this, like today it arrived at my home and nobody was there. So of course the postman could not deliver, but the postman had put a note, I mean a slip, and he had delivered it to a nearby post office, from where I picked it up, okay? So yeah, that's how it worked, guys. Let me know what you feel about it, and thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.